Hello, my name is Carolina Muñoz, and today I am going to talk about my main topic of investigation, which is teachers' reflexivity. Reflexivity is the act of thinking about what is doing while doing it inside the classrooms. Educators must possess some theoretical knowledge, but alongside of this, they need to develop the ability to create schemes they can implement inside the classroom in case there are some contingencies. In this line of ideas, educators need to be reflective over their practice and think about how can some actions improve unexpected outcomes inside the classroom. Because of this, my research is going to be focused on investigate and expose the different benefits from this process of reflexivity for future educators and how can they implement them inside their practice. Additionally, it's going to aim to show how can this practice potentialize the learning teaching processes in students and educators. This study aims to help future educators and how can they apply some strategies, some schemes in order to be more reflexive over the practice and have better outcomes inside the classroom, and also how they can implement these strategies in order to have a significant learning processes for the students. For these investigations, I will have some bases into account in order to guide our research. What do we want? We want more reflexive teachers over the practices in order to have better process of educator, optimal teaching and learning processes. We need to link these two concepts, teaching and learning, in order to have better strategies and better outcomes. Understanding that the context of the students, their prior knowledge, and the tools we use to teach are important, and they have really big relevance over the practice and over the learning and teaching practices. Based on the previous, my research question is how has the process of reflexivity impacted the teacher practices in Colombia from 2010 to 2021. I aim to look in teachers' report and how this reflexivity process has helped them to improve their practices in order to look for strategies that we can implement and help future teachers. Thank you.